How to insert an image in Photoshop. So for this, tap on the start icon right here. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Adobe Photoshop and tap open it and wait for it to load. Then simply close this tab. Now to insert our image, you simply have to tap on this file option. Then select open. You can browse through these files to select an image. Then just tap on the image and then tap open. Tap on this maximize tab. Pinch on your mouse pad to maximize or zoom in your picture. Then if you want to place another image on top of it, tap on file. Then at the bottom you will see the option called place. Tap on it. From here you can simply browse through an image and tap on place bubble at the side. You can also press and hold the keys called Ctrl+O to add an image in your Photoshop. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. We hope you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching.